Can you see the dial is spinning? All right, maybe the silver one is hard to see. Let me try to see. Let me try to shake it. All right, can you see both watches? Now, this is the Millipede Rotator. And we don't have a lot of these left in stock. And I am showing you just to refresh how cool this watch is. And the inventory is running till, almost gone. And if in case you see this video and you missed out before, get it now. So what I have is the 45 millimeter case. And I was previously showing you the profile of the case, and look at how unique the design of the watch case is. So the entire thing is high mirror polished, right? The case and the bracelet. What we have to do is we have to use the CNC machines and cut through the sidewall of the case on both sides. Think about all the time and the machinery we have to use to do this. Now, another very unique feature, which you already seen, is the rotating dial, okay? It's imitating the jet engine, but the technical part to this is we have to use a high canyon movement and also a high canyon hour, minute, and the second hand. If I'm able to dismantle this watch for you and I pull the hands out, you'll see the pinion and the canyon of the hands are like extra tall. And there are tiny little ball bearings. There's, have you ever, let me say this, like ball bearing, like a skateboard, like a wheel or whatever. In order for us to make this dial move, we have to do the same thing. There's like tracks inside the dial with tiny little ball bearings to make each one of these dial moves. It's incredible. Also, this watch is famous for the Millipede bracelet. So the entire thing is stainless steel. There's a stainless steel rod inside. When you size the bracelet, all you have to do is turn counterclockwise. Let me see if I can do this very quickly to show you. You just think about the amount of material. See? The thoughts behind all these watches. It's not just a typical watch where, it's a 3-piece link bracelet. Everything in this watch is well thought after. Quality is tremendous. You have the dive clasp, also is solid stainless steel. It's just incredible. Exhibition case back with the NH35 automatic movement. So I'm wearing the gloves, so I can't put it back, but after the video, I'm going to put them back. So one more time, I'm going to show you the rotating dial. Isn't that cool? While you're wearing the watch, you're witnessing the dial is rotating. I guarantee there's not many watches look like that out in the market. All right. Thank you for watching.